Hi guys, so this is one of the adult diaper brand which is owned by one Taiwanese company. They have other brand also named as Feelfree. This is a new launched brand. There are many brands in India, but this is one of the good brand with a reasonable price in the market. Just launched recently in India. So this is called adult diaper. It is also named as open type, and they comes in two variants, one in M size and one in XL size. So I'll show you how it looks like in the inside. One pack consists of 10 piece of adult diapers. So let's go and I'll show you how to wear and what is it looks like. Okay, so they packed it in a very slim way. It comes in 10 pieces, so I'll just open up and show you. So each person, the patient can use for around 8 to 9 hours. So I'll just show you how it looks like inside. So this is how adult diaper looks like. This is the inside part and this is the outside part. And this one is an indicator where when the liquid or the fluid is filled up, it will change into a different color. And this is called the frontal tab, where when you fasten it, it will stick. Also, it is an adjustable sticker where you can use it multiple times on your waist. And some of the key points that we need to remember is this is a soft material and unique 3D barbell shaped. And also the other thing is it is an diamond embossed absorbent core, and the SAP, which is a material that used, is a Japanese material from a Japan company, and it is also an antibacterial and anti-odor control core. And the last thing is it also has an interior leg cuff where it supports and prevent it from leaking from the diaper. And also it has, as I mentioned before, it also has an wetness indicator. First, we need to remove the sticker so it can stick on the other side of the frontal tab. This 4 sticker, which is also adjustable. So now we'll show you how it should wear. The frontal tab, which has a drawing on it, should be on the front side, and the sticker, small one, should be on the back side. So first you pull it up under your leg, and then you stick it using the small sticker and over the frontal tab. And same goes with the other side. The small sticker over the frontal tab, which has a drawing on it. Make sure that it doesn't fasten too tight. Okay. So this is how you wear adult diaper, and you can use it for 8 to 9 hours depending on the liquid. It's just for the demonstration. That's why we're showing wearing outside the jeans. If you wear it inside without any pants, it wouldn't look very uncomfortable, and it's soft material, so it wouldn't be very uncomfortable when you wear inside the pant. And this is how it will look when you wear it properly inside the pants. It will be very comfortable. Okay. So we'll pull up the pants and we'll see how it looks like from the outside. As the material is very soft, so it will not look very bulky even if you wear pants on top of the diaper. Okay, thank you guys. This was the demonstration on how to wear an adult diaper. There are many brands available in India. Medicos and Feelfree is one of them, which have a very good quality and in a reasonable price. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Bye guys.